Hi guys, so I've once come across a particular video of some installer complaining that their inverter and Cworth does not communicate, and so fortunately for us, we are at site today, and then we are lucky to have Deye 6 kilowatts and the 10 kilowatts are Cworth energy lithium battery. So unfortunately, in fact it's off now. I want to put it on. So unfortunately, can you see? In fact, what it's doing is more than not communicating. It's disrupting. So you can see what's happening with the battery. Can you see what's happening with the battery? So and even the inverter, if we just try to put it on, see how the inverter is using. See how it's just as if like the communication cable that comes. This is the particular communication cable that comes with the battery itself. The Deye also has its own communication cable, but most times when we install Cworth with any inverter, it's best with their own communication cable. I've used it many times with some other products, and then it communicates once. So you can see it's just going off, going on. Even the battery BMS has shut down. So now I just want us to see how we can correct this. You just need to do just 1 or 2 tricks, and then you correct this, and then it communicates. So let's commence. So I'll be putting off the battery breaker back. So I'll be putting off the inverter switch also. So now I'm going to unplug the communication cable. I'm going to unplug the communication cable from my BMS and CAN ports on the inverter. Yeah, so once you unplug, this is what you're going to do. Cut all the cables, the communication cable, most especially the one that comes with the battery. So cut all the cables. Can you see? I've cut all the cables. Now peel the cables. Peel the cables. So I've done that on this end. I'll be doing that on this end also. Sorry, we don't have light here. This is a new site, it's a new building, so we are just trying to work with what we have, and that's the reason why this was installed, so that we can be live. So you ignore every other cables, leaving your blue and white cable. Every other cables will go. So I'm going to cut it off. The same thing applies to the other end. I'm going to cut it off. So and then you peel the tip of your blue and white cable. You see? You peel the tip. For this other end also, I'll be doing the same thing. Peel the tip. Yeah, so once you are done peeling the tip, all you just need to do is this blue cable from this other end here of the connector, you connect to your white cable of the other end. So it's just as if you are trying transport, you are interchanging. So connect it together, and then you can just get a tape. I have my adhesive paper tape here from Abro, original tape, and then you tape it. So and then you connect the other one also. So that's blue to white, white to blue. You get it? The trick is just simple as ABC. So and then you can plug back to your BMS and CAN ports of the inverter. So I'm coming, I want to cover the other end of the cables that we are not using, so that it won't be conducting with any part of the inverter enclosure here. Okay. Okay, so we're done with that. So I can put on my battery back. So can you see it's clear now? You know, the other time it was giving us a error indicator, and then, you know, the screen was misbehaving. So can you see it's clear now? So now let me put on the inverter also. So they should both communicate now. Yeah. So I think from my observation, Deye has a very long delay when it comes to putting it on and off. A very long delay. So it should come up, I think it should come up back in some minutes now. Our system is up now. So you can see our system is up now. So I wanted to, before even going to the settings part, I wanted to check for the battery percentage. 69%. Now come and see, bring the camera closer. So can you see our battery is showing 69%, 53 points volt. Now can you see 69%? Let me show you the volt. Can you see 53 volt? So both inverter and battery are communicating fine.